Hello everyone, welcome to the Engineering Projects YouTube channel. In the previous tutorial, we have created a data table to populate the information of messages, and in this video, we have to create a DB connection by which we will get the information. So we will go to the any controller and copy the JSON result code. You don't need to worry about this. If you don't know how this code is working, I will explain it here. Simply I will paste this code here and name it as messages list. I will use a model here having naming convention messages. This is the simple list which I have created to populate the information of messages. After I have created a connection open, this connection contains the information about the database, which is available in the configuration manager and web config page. So simply create a SQL connection variable and SQL reader to read the information from database. If the connection is valid and open, I will create a command to the specific store procedure. In this scenario, I am using this store procedure. I will copy this and paste here and pass the connection parameter. After that, I will create a command to let this application know I am using the store procedure pattern. After that, I will pass the filter, which is the custom variable I have used in store procedure. Here you can see I am using the value insert, and here I am going to use the value of list. Right after this, I will populate the information within messages object. Every time this loop gets executed, it will extract information from database. The information extracted from database is based on index. So the ID is on 0, name was 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and we have 5 indexes. So we need to create 5 indexes. Here let's see, we have in messages there is ID. I will copy this and use here, and I have to parse this into int. I can use int 64.parse and in parentheses use this variable, and it will convert the information from string to integer. After that, I have name. So here for the name I have first. Now I will copy this 2, 3, 4 and 5 and assign them the proper indexing. Now I need to just replace these values: email, address, message and time, and it is of date time. So what I will do, I can use date time dot parse and inject this variable here, and it will convert the string into the datetime format, and then the whole model is passed to this list, and each time this loop is executed, it is added to the list, which is this, and this list is passed to the view as the JSON format. So whenever I will call this, it will return me a JSON. You can test that with the help of Postman by hitting this from the postman URL, and it will return you the JSON formatted information of messages. I hope this is informative. If you have any kind of question, you can ask us, and don't forget to subscribe the Engineering Projects YouTube channel. Take care, bye bye, have fun.